Hi guys, thanks for joining me today. I'm really excited to take you through how to build an app with WordApp today. There's been lots of changes to WordApp since the beginning. We did a video at the very beginning, but it's a little outdated now. So I'm re-recording how to build your app. I will be doing a full course also on how to build your app from A to Z, with all the examples of applications, building apps with WooCommerce, with BuddyPress, with WordPress as a blog, WordPress as a website, and all of those advanced techniques. I'll be adding that to our website very shortly, and I'll email you all when it's ready. Right, so first of all, we're going to be looking at how to build your app here on WordApp. So, I'm gathering that you've installed the app, you've activated it, and that's why you've found this video, and this is how you can start building an app. So, we're going to click on WordApp. It's going to take us to a quick install. Today I'm going to be doing a very quick application. I've already got a WooCommerce installed, so I'm going to call myself a Woo app. And we go to the second theme. As you can see, there's a couple of themes already installed. Most of them are compatible with most websites, but not all of them. So we have a few small business apps here with large screen slideshows. We have a WooCommerce app here, which is customizable from A to Z. And we also, if you scroll all the way down, you can actually use your current theme or another theme that's installed in your WordPress. So that means that you can go through all of the themes on the WordPress themes database, install it, don't activate it, but you can activate it for mobile. Right, so today we're going to be building a very quick application. As I have WooCommerce installed, I'm going to click Install Now. That's installed. We go to next step. And that's it, right. So we're going to have my buddy Clive that's now going to be installing it for you. So we just press Submit. And you'll be taken back to the home page. Right, that's brilliant. So now you'll be able to like our page for Facebook, get the latest updates. And then we go over to App Builder on the side here. Now, your app is generated, and as you can see there has generated a basic application that you can't click on because it's just for demo. When you click on it, it will come up with an alert. All of the configuration is on this side, on the left side in the middle here. You can start by uploading your logo, etc. We're going to start by changing the color of the top bar here. So start by changing the color of the top bar to a purple here. So that's going to change all of the colors of the purple UIs throughout the app. You can also do more advanced changes. We can change the color of the top header here and the font. So I'm going to change that to a different color because it doesn't stand up very well on purple. We go for a red. We're going to change the font to one of these fonts. All of the Google fonts can be used here. So we're going to use Asset there. We'll give that one a go, see what that looks like. There you go. That's a larger font so you can see how it looks. Right, now the next step is to give your app a name, which you've already given through the quick step app builder, so we don't need to change anything here. If you want to upload a logo instead of the shopping title here, which will be your title from your WordPress blog, you can upload a logo. I won't today, but you can. And then we scroll down and we also have your theme options, so you can change your theme. You can redirect to a different page for your application here by clicking here, and that means when the person opens the app they'll go to a different page, or you can use it as the default settings, which we're going to use today. Right, so that was, as I said, a very quick preview of how to do the design. Now we're going to move on to menus and slideshow. So we're going to click menus up here. Of course we want to save before, so we're going to stay on the page and save before we go to the next page. We can go to menus. Right, so as you can see there's already a sidebar menu here. You can also add bottom menus down the bottom here. Now we're going to add the bottom menu. So if you choose one of the menus here, we're going to use mobile app. And we save changes. We also want to add the mobile app menu to the sidebar here. Now to create your menus, it's like creating any menu inside WordPress. We do that inside our appearances up here. We click menus, and then we just create a new menu for mobile, which I've already created here. You create a new menu, you can call it whatever you like, and then you can choose it inside the app builder. Now I'm going to go back to the app builder here, as I've already created my menus. As I said, we are going to go through advanced and more details in all of this. This is just a very quick video. I will send you the link to the course. Right, so we now have a bottom bar, as you can see here, and your side menu. You can't click on the side menu, but you can always preview your app, which we'll look at in a minute. Now you need to give some icons. I'm just going to choose any icons here, just for sakes to see what it looks like. We choose randomly any icons here. You can preview the icons by clicking here, and it'll tell you I'll show you what iOS icons we have. So we save changes. Now that will add the icons to the bottom of the bar here, which obviously you can't click on still as well, but you can preview. Now we've chosen also to add the same menu in the sidebar here. Let's go and preview what our app will look like. So you click on preview application, and it's going to open a full simulator of our app to see what it looks like. It's just been generated now. Right, okay, now this is running exactly as it would run on iOS. So you can see by clicking and pulling, you can move it around. You can also click here to see what the side menu looks like. And you can also navigate around the application to see your shopping cart here, for instance, as I added a link to it. There's nothing in my cart. Cart is empty, so I return to store. So as you can see, you can go through all of your application from A to Z here and see if everything's working. You also have a widget area here, which you can click on here, which will open another sidebar where you can add your widgets. Okay, that was how to preview your app. Next step we're going to be looking at is the slideshow. Now each theme has a different slideshow. The WooCommerce theme has latest products or products in a category slideshow. So we click on activate slideshow, and then I'm going to choose music, and then we're going to save. So now that's put a nice product slideshow on my app, which will slide through all of the products one by one, as you can see. Right, next step is your app structure. Your app structure in general are the only parts of the application that won't sync after uploading to Android and to iOS. So these are one of the most important parts to get right before sending the information to Apple and Android. So all we're going to do here is click on app icons to add an app icon, a splash screen, which is a loading screen, add a description and keywords and a category to your app. So to do this, we just literally click on upload an icon. And I'm just going to take anything out of my media library. I'm going to use one of the CDs out of the WooCommerce library. We click there. So the sizes will be 512 by 512 ideally. And we're going to click insert into post. Now, same for upload splash. I'm going to choose any image from here. We're going to use this poster here. Okay, then we click full size in this into post. Now make sure that you do click full size, because it can cause you problems if you don't, as it will be stretched. So we're going to give the app description. This is the description that's displayed in the App Store. Keywords separated by commas, and we're choosing an app category. So this is a shopping app, so we're going to go down to shopping. There we go, and then we save changes as before. Now once our app is ready, we need to go and preview the application again to make sure everything's okay. You won't be able to see the splash screen as it will not show up, but as it's generating, you'll be able to see what your app looks like, how it works, how the feel and the look of the application is. Now there's a couple of things that we haven't looked at, is the widgets here, how to add the widgets. Widgets are exactly the same as in WordPress, We just literally go to Appearance and drag the widgets we want into on our mobile sidebar. So that's on the right hand side. So maybe we want to add a search bar. So I'm going to pull that down, and the shopping cart obviously. So we're going to put the cart in there first. So we're going to drag the cart up here to there, WooCommerce cart, and then we're also going to add our search. Here, there we go. Oops. Sorry, we're going to add our search above the cart there. So now that's saved. We can save both of these. We go back to our application. We're going to test it one more time before publishing it. So as I said, you need to click on Preview your app in full. It'll take a couple of seconds to load and create the app. And there we have it. There's your application. We're going to click on here to make sure that the widgets are in the right place. As you can see, I have no products in my cart, and I can now search. There is also assigned areas for below this image here for a widget zone. We also have one on the footer. We also have a widget zone above the bar here, so you can add your logo or anything you'd like to add there. So that was how to add the widgets. Now I think the app's pretty close to being looking great, and I'm ready to publish. I'm going to click Publish my app. And this is going to tell me to make sure that I have filled out all the information. If I've filled out all the information correctly, I'm going to have all of the checkboxes here checked and green, so that's perfect. Now we're going to enter our email address. Here for this is the email address where we're going to get the app sent to. And then we're going to go and either publish to Android, so that will send you the APK file directly to your email box. It does take around 2 to 24 hours. In general, it's around the 2-hour mark. Or you can upgrade to the Pro subscription. Or you can upgrade to the Pro subscription page, where it allows you to upgrade to iOS or Android from $2.99 per month, or if you want to pay monthly, it's $3.99. So that was very quickly on how to build your application. As I said, we're actually building a community and a learn section, so there's a full course on how to build the more advanced sections like the CSS editor, creating push notifications, much more information about building your WordPress app or a normal application for blogs. And that was how to do it, guys. So thanks for joining me. Have a great day. I hope you enjoy using WordApp. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me. My email address is below. Have a great day. Bye, guys. Bye.